Hello students, topic for today's lecture is judicial review of discretionary powers. Discretionary powers of the administration are as much an important phenomena in the German law as they are in the common law or in any other legal systems of today. They are no longer considered inconsistent with the notion of a just society. On the contrary, there is a growing realization that such powers are necessary to achieve a just social orders to make the rule of law a positive reality. Of course, that does not mean the administration must be given unlimited or unlimited and unnecessary discretion, nor does it mean that the administration must be free from all the limitations of the exercise of the discretion. Discretion does not mean arbitrariness. In the words of Sir Lord Halsbury, discretion means when it is said that something is to be within the discretion of the authority, that something is to be done according to the rules of the reason and the justice, not according to the private opinions, is said as discretion. So we can refer to the rookie's case according to the law and not humor. It is to be non arbitrary or vague and fanciful, but regular and legal, and it must be exercised within the limit to which an honest man competent to the discharge of his office ought to confine himself. So, basically, discretionary authority is a law of the administrative authority that makes a certain act of two or more opportunities. In other words, its target is to choose a solution that has the best outcome. Discretionary law exists when there is an administration can choose between different behaviors if the implementation of the law meet the conditions. The term discretionary authority means an authority with which the administrative authority entrusts certain degree of freedom in terms of making a decision in order to choose one of the many legal administrative decisions that considers it to be the most appropriate decisions. I hope the concept must be clear to you. Thank you.